and welcome to another tutorial on EA Global AI. Today, we're going to be talking about assigning reviewers to responses. So, as you can see, I'm in the Skills Workshop workspace, I'm in the Autofill tab, and I've just had an ESG form finish running. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this form and click to assign. From here, I'm going to assign reviewers. Once I click to assign reviewers, I can either click and drag down all of the questions I want to assign, or I can select questions individually using these checkboxes. So let's say I want to deselect question 1, 3, 6, 8, but I also want to select questions 10, 11, 14, 16, 17. Once I've selected these, I can select my reviewer and it's going to be me. Once I click done, we will see in the assigned reviewers tab, all of these questions are now assigned. Of course, we can still go into the review the answer and assign from here, but this is how we do it in bulk. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to use the Get Help button in the bottom left-hand corner. Thank you very much.